Hey guys, I'm Brian Mitchell with the Sauna Place. I'm here today with John Davis. We are going to go over how to hook up the Heritage LED light system. We have two options. One, the strip without a dimmer. You would hook up to your own light switch or dimmer, or to your controller for your sauna. Or we also have the dimmer option that can be added to this. We're going to show you both. The light strips as they come are 16.4 feet long. They can be cut. John will show you that in a minute. And the power supply, this is what you will receive in your order. So John, how would our customers hook this up to their sauna?
All right, so what you have here is a LED driver. It converts 240 volt to 24 volt, which your lights are. So instead of a positive and negative to get your 240, this would just go into the two hots in your control unit. So the same 240 volt that you have run to your heater, you're just going to hook this in right there, and then you're going to match red to red and black to black, and it's simple as that. If you want to hide your wiring, I would use 22 to 24 gauge wire, lead wire, but that's all there is to it.
Okay, so that is to hook up if they're going to make it go to their switch or their controller. So that's pretty simple.
Correct. Okay, so if you're going to go to your power system, then it would be red hot, black negative. If you're going to hook up a 110 dimmer variant, household dimmer switch, you can use your pink and purple wire here for the dimmer, and all this is instructed on the driver itself.
Okay, so that is being able to hook it up to the sauna or to your own light or to your heater control. And so this wire, or this light, pardon me, this LED light can be cut down. There is actually a mark where there's a scissor mark that you can cut. So if you need a shorter piece, if you're only doing a 4 foot or an 8 foot piece, this is a 16 foot 4. You do not have to use all 16 foot 4 in one run. If they do that, what would they need to know?
Just the cut marks, and this is something we can help out on. If you know the dimensions, like if we're running this along a bench, if you've ordered one of our custom saunas, then we can have this prefixed for you.
Okay, so that explains the light. Now, if you want one of our dimmers, we do have a great dimmer option that will go with this light, and let's show them how that works.
So first, we're going to open these up, and don't pay attention to the instructions that came with it. They're for different applications, so don't worry about it. Same process for your 240 side. Just going to go into the 240. The difference being that your red and black here is going to feed into the input side of the dimmer, and then the output, red and black, will go off to your light. Again, you can use lead wires to hide your wiring, around 22 to 24 gauge wires. So you sync up your remote. There's a match button on the V1 dimmer here, and you're going to hold that down 3 to 5 seconds with the power button on the remote. So at the same time, hold it down 3 to 5 seconds. It's going to pair. Note that whenever you do hook this up, it's not going to work until you pair the remote. So if you hook it up and you say it's not working, but you run through this box, it's not going to turn on until you match this remote up. And again, just to recap, your input and output are both on this side. Input from your LED driver, output to your light.
Hey guys, before we close, I just want to point out, here's the lighting system set up. We used a Hume Yuku power unit just to show as an example. Of course, you may have the Harvey or a different brand, but the basic principle is the same. This is going to be your power source, and this is how it's going to lead in. You can see here in the how he has this wired in and out to the power source, to the light. A quick note on the dimmer, it is a magnetic base, which is very handy. You can take it in the sauna, leave it low, don't put it up in the heat. Nothing's good in high heat. So if you keep it low, you're good. Wonderful dimmer. This is the setup. As always, thanks for watching. If you have more questions, feel free to go to our website, saunaplace.com, or give us a call at 931-516-6577. We'll be happy to help.